Hello everyone, welcome to class 4. I'm your science teacher. Today I will explain you lesson 1, food, our basic need. Eating good food, especially with family and friends, is one of the pleasure of life. We all know that children who eat well usually grow well. Now, before starting lesson, let me tell you objectives of today's lecture. Students will be able to define food science and will be able to understand how food science research is used and applied. Human beings are dependent on few basic needs for living without which they cannot survive. These basic needs are food including water, shelter and clothing. Clothes are one of the basic needs of human being because before clothes were made, man used to cover himself with skin of animals or bark of tree or with leaves. Shelter, that is another basic need of human. Human beings need shelter to protect themselves. They need a house to protect themselves from rain, cold, sun, and wild animals. Food is one of the basic necessities of humans and it stands first among all basic needs food, shelter, and clothing. It is important as it nourishes the human body. Over the years, food has taken a positive beyond this. Although we are surrounded by food all the time, the understanding of food is very poor. Most of us eat what comes in front of us, like whenever we go outside. While traveling, we just eat what is available. Lots of us appreciate the taste, but very few people appreciate actual texture and its benefit. The general understanding is that we will think about all these things when the right time comes. And unfortunately, that right time comes when all the things start going wrong. So, what is the solution? The solution is education about food, its component, and its interaction with the human body. Just not in a disease state, but when healthy is the essence of a good lifestyle, not modern lifestyle. Food gives us energy for doing activities. What is energy? We can define energy as the strength to do any kind of physical activity. Thus, we can say energy is the ability to do work. Eating, bathing, grooming, working, you need energy, which is supplied from your diet in the form of calories. Energy fuels your body's internal functions, repair, builds and maintains cells and body tissues, and support the external activities that enable you to interact with the physical world. Food gives us energy for doing activities such as studying. Your brain needs a constant supply of energy to continuously maintain, support, and protect your life. Mental activities such as work, hobbies, reading, studying, homework, doing crossword puzzles, learning a new language, and any mentally challenging and including daydreaming also. It all require energy. Food gives us energy for doing activities such as playing also. External functions supported by energy include exercise, work, and play. If you are active and have a high lean body mass to fat ratio, your energy needs are greater than someone who leads a healthy lifestyle. Digestion and absorption of the nutrients in food use 5 to 10 percentage of your daily energy stores to produce more energy. As kids grow from grade schoolers to preteens, they continue to be a wide range of normal regarding height, weight, and shape. Normal growth is supported by good nutrition, enough sleep, and regular exercise. Normal growth is one of the best overall indicator of child's good health. Your child's growth pattern is largely determined by genetics. Pushing kids to eat extra food or get higher amount of vitamins, minerals or other nutrients will not increase their height and may lead to weight problem. Many people want strong and healthy hair, especially as they grow older. Interestingly, your hair grows around 0. 0.5 inches means 1.25 centimeter per month and 6 inches means 15 centimeter per year. How fast it grows depends on some factor like age, health, genetics and diet. Although you can't change factors like age and genetics, diet is one of the things you can control. In fact, consuming a diet lacking the right nutrition can lead to hair loss. On the other hand, eating a balanced diet with the right nutrients can help promote hair growth, especially if you are expressing hair loss due to poor nutrition. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, two nutrients that may promote hair growth. Berries are loaded with beneficial compounds and vitamins that may promote hair growth. Spinach is a healthy green vegetable that is loaded with beneficial nutrients like iron and vitamin A and C, all of which may promote hair growth. Muscle is the body's most metabolic tissue, which means it requires more energy than other body tissue to maintain itself. Because they are naturally more muscular, men need more energy, means calories, than women do. Children and young adults undergoing developmental changes in height, weight, and body composition have greater energy needs. So, food is our basic need because all living beings need food, and food gives us energy for doing activities such as studying, playing, walking, and talking. And some of the energy is also used to help us grow, like for the growth of height, growth of hair, and muscles development. The key to healthy eating is to enjoy a variety of nutritious foods from each of the five food groups. These five food groups on a plate displays that these five groups are in the portion that you should be eating them throughout your day. If you eat a variety of foods from each of these groups, your body will receive all the nutrients and vitamins it needs to function. Foods from the basic food group provide the nutrients essential for life and growth. These foods are also known as everyday foods. Each of the food groups provide a range of nutrients and all have a role in helping the body function. The food that we eat has many substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy and strong. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health, and proper growth are called nutrients. Nutrients are substances required by the body to perform its basic function. Since the human body doesn't synthesize nutrients, they must be obtained from the diet, making them essential. Nutrients are used to produce energy, detect and respond to environmental surroundings, move, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Nutrients gives us energy to do our work. They help to repair our body and also prevent us from falling ill too often. The main nutrients found in food items are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. We need energy to grow, to work, and also for our different body organs to work. The foods which give energy are called carbohydrate. Food items such as cereals, rice, wheat, and corn, and vegetables such as potatoes gives us a lot of energy. They contain carbohydrate. Food items rich in carbohydrate are called energy giving food. Sugars and starches are carbohydrate. They are needed by your body to get quick energy. That is why they are called energy giving nutrients. Carbohydrates provide energy for the body. We need energy for all activities we do. Carbohydrates include sugars found naturally in food such as fruits like apple, grapes, and banana, and in vegetables such as potato and pumpkin, then in milk and milk product.